Now, jerk chicken isn't your average grilled bird, grilled chicken. It's like a bunch of flavors packed together, going crazy on your taste buds. The secret lies basically in the marinade. The marinade, it's a potent blend of spices that will have you say, yeah, man, before you know it. So you will definitely be converted to Jamaican once you taste it. Now, for the main ingredient, guys, you want to make sure you use leg quarter, chicken leg quarters for this recipe, all right? Leave the skin on, clean up your chicken nice and proper, add some vinegar and water, rinse it off, and you should be good. I also made some large size cuts. This is going to allow the season to soak right in. So these are the seasoning that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, I have 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pimento berries. So you just want to drop everything right in the mixing bowl, right on top of the chicken. We're going to add some cooking oil afterwards with some marinade, a jerk seasoning same way, and mix everything together. Yeah, man. At this point, you want to add about a quarter cup of cooking oil. All right, guys, so let's break down what's inside of this marinade right here. So we have some scotch bonnet pepper, pimento berries, fresh thyme, garlic, ginger, a touch of brown sugar, about a half cup of water, a little bit of soy sauce. Also added some Jamaican rainier white rum for that extra kick, but that's entirely up to you. And you also want to add about 2 tablespoons of Walker's Wood jerk paste. Blend everything together, marinate the chicken for about 2 hours, and you should be good. All right, so at this point, you want to get your grill nice and hot. We want that beautiful char on the outside of the chicken. Time to make our jerk sauce. Me personally, I can't have jerk chicken without the sauce. So you want to add about a tablespoon of vegetable cooking oil. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of jerk paste and also a tablespoon of grated ginger. After you add your ginger, you want to mix those 2 ingredients together nice and proper. Mix it up just to release some of that flavor. Now you want to add your orange juice. This is about a half a cup of orange juice. Add some brown sugar for that extra sweetness, and that's going to thicken up the sauce as well. You also want to add some ketchup to your sauce. This is one of the key ingredients inside of the sauce, besides the jerk seasoning itself. So after you add your ketchup, you want to mix it up same way. Keep mixing it until everything is fully combined. Just go ahead and add a little bit of barbecue sauce, to your jerk sauce right there. Mix it up, and we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. After it starts to boil, turn the stove off and set this aside. So right about now, you want to go ahead and add your chicken to the grill. The grill is looking lovely, nice and hot, Yeah, man. So you want to grill your chicken for about 15 minutes on the first side. Flip them over and grill them for another 15 minutes. So after that second 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and close the grill down and keep rotating your chicken every 10 minutes. All right, we're going to do this for about an hour and a half until the chicken is nicely cooked and juicy on the inside, crusty and crispy on the outside. And the thing is, with jerk chicken, guys, it's one of those things where you have to keep watching it, constantly rotating just to make sure it's not overcooked or it's not too charred or too burnt on the outside. All right, so your chicken should be looking like this after the first 15 minutes. All right, and like I said, you want to flip them over and then close down the grill. All right, keep watching. At this point, guys, you want to add some water or some red stripe beer to your chicken. This is going to keep on the heat, and it's also going to keep your chicken nice and juicy. I'm also going to add a little bit of that sauce that we made earlier. Brush it on, just to create a nice little glaze, a little flavor on top of the chicken. Now you want to add some of that jerk sauce, guys. Pour it all on top, all over your chicken. And then we're going to grab our mixing bowl, toss our chicken, make sure the sauce is nicely covered, nicely combined and mixed together. And that's going to add a pack of flavor. So look at this beauty, this finished product right here. We have some sliced bread, hardware bread with a little bit of pepper sauce on the side. This is like authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. You can't get any better than this unless you go to Jamaica. Yeah. So this is like the best way, simple, easy way to make, authentic jerk chicken at home. Look at that, guys. We've got perfectly grilled chicken, juicy, bursting with a bunch of flavors. The aroma is pretty much going to knock you out, So you definitely want to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.